Welcome back to the channel, guys. Another quick tutorial today. Quick top tip, should I say, is foggy headlamps. Now on this car, if you look here, this one's not too bad, in pretty good condition actually for the age. Go across to this one, you can see it's a bit yellow, it's a bit sort of worn out there. Now I'm sure a lot of you know about this trick, but we can use a bit of this Colgate Max White. It doesn't have to be Colgate Max White, most toothpaste will work. Basically you rub it onto a cloth. I'm just going to use an old t-shirt and rub it in quite vigorously, quite hard. You want to rub it in like you're polishing it, but even a bit harder still, for a good few minutes. Really work it into the plastic, and hopefully in a minute we'll have an headlight lens that's as clear as that one. So I'm going to do a bit of quick light first. Apply plenty of that with toothpaste. And this first time over, I'm just going to sort of rub it all in and then clean it off for a bit of a clean up more than anything, and then go over it again and really polish it in. Right, I've just damped the cloth here to wipe it back off. As you can see, it's not perfect, but it's a lot better than it was. Brought the shine back a little bit, looks a bit clearer from the front, a lot closer to that one. Like I say, it's not perfect, but it's definitely an improvement, and that took all of a few minutes. So I hope you found this useful, guys. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, show some support. More tutorials to come. Peace.